2010 Honda CR-V EXL, light blue pearl metallic, beautiful color, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, door window visors, great on gas, nice 2-shelving cargo system. It's well-cut gray leather interior, carpeted floor mats throughout by Honda. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat adjustments, heated front row seats, dual automatic climate controls, 6-disc in-dash changer, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, premium sound system with sub, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just under 97,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us and you'll say I can't get enough. Hey, you cars.